Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today, actually, it's Sunday, and usually on Sunday afternoon, I will do the additional with extra puzzles. Well, in the yesterday's newspaper, the weekend edition, there's no extra puzzle or additional for the Sunday. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the puzzle page of the Saturday edition, Saturday, November the 11th, 2023. We have two puzzles left: the binary and the Sudoku with 3 stars. Well, actually, it's a 2 stars puzzle. And after these two puzzles, I will do the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. And in the evening, the Samurai Sudoku. Yes, the Samurai Sudoku. And this will be number 7433. Yeah, 7433. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I've told you. This one has 26 printed digits. Not actually a 3 stars puzzle. The 3 stars puzzle has one less, 25 printed digits. For 26 printed digits, actually it's 2 stars then. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve for 2 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Yeah. Is this a 3 stars puzzle or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. How about these 5 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers, 2 of them are the 1 and the 4. We have 1 and a 4 in this big square, so no 1 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. So these 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. Well, I need to wait here. 5, 6, 9. Okay. Then 5, 6, 9. That means we have 4 missing numbers then in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. You have a 2 and a 3 in this column, so no 2 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6. 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Okay. And now. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers: the 2 and the 1. We have a 1 and a 2 in this column, so no 1 and 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 and a 2 goes in those 2 boxes in this big square. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Then. Let me see. Yeah. How about a 9 in this column? 9 is that column. So the 5th column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 and 5, we have a 9 now in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. Okay. Then 6 and well. 5 and interesting. Let me see. 5, 5, 3, 3, 3. We have a 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the second row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in the second column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in the second row, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright, cannot continue with the 1 now, need to wait. 8. Let me see. How about 7 and 7 there. Yeah. I'm thinking. 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. And look, we have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. We have a 7 in that row, so no 7 there. So the only place left with 7 in this column should be there. So the 5 and the 6 are left. Cannot fill this yet. 7 this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left with 7 should be there. 7. Need a 7 here. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. We have a 2 in this row. 2 in the last row, so the row between only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. We have 3 in this row, 3 in the third row, so the row between the second row, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. Here, 3 in the third column, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be here. Alright. Okay. 2. And we have a pair, I believe, yeah. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We have a 7 in this second row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. And we have also the 2. The 2 in this column, the 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4. No, we have a 3. Correction. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. So we have a 5 in this row, third row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Yeah. 4 and 6. Come on. So here should be also the 6 and the 5. Yeah, 4 and the 6. Okay. 1, and I need an 8 here. 8, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in the last row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in this column, so no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. And I believe... Wait. Need an 8 here. Need a 7 here. Need a 5 here. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in the last row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 6 and a 5. We have a 5 now in the third column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the second column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. So 2 numbers left in this column. Second column for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 7 and 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 6 goes there. Then 6 and a 4. Then 4 need a 4. 4 and the 9. Okay. 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4, 9. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 9 goes there. Yeah, we have 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9. And look, we have a 5 and a 9 in this column. So no 5 and a 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. So this box should be the 6. Alright. 6 in the last column. 6 in the column next. On that column, the only place level the 6 should be there. Then 2 and we have 3 in this column. 3 in the last column. So the column 3, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between, the only 3 place level 3 should be here, here, or there. You see here 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. The only place level 3 should be there. Alright. Okay. Well. Where's my pencil? Yes. Then 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 5, 8, 9. 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9. And look, here can be a 5 because we have 5 in this big square, or there in this row, so no 5 there. Here can be a 5 because we have 5 in this row, so no 5. Only place level 5 should be here. So the 9 and 8 are left. 9 and 8. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 place left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number, I believe, the 9. Yeah, 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place level 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 place level 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Yeah, 4 is missing. 1 box left in the middle column for number 1. The 2 is missing. Yeah. 2 and a 7, we have a 2 now in the third row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place level 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, is this really a 3 stars? No. No, it's a 1 star. Or yeah, let me give them a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. The binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.